चैतन्यचरितामृत मध्यलीला Gaura Bhakta, they are devotees of Gauranga Mahaprabhu. They are very, very also more merciful. Gauranga is more merciful, means wonderfully merciful. Their devotees are more merciful. Gaura Bhaktas, do you understand? Yes. Khandamasi Mukunda, Mukunda Das. No? Mukunda Das, one of the very dear devotees of Mahaprabhu. Is Khandavasi. He stays in the village named Khanda in West Bengal. Do you understand? Gauda Bhakta, Gauda Desha, Bengal. He had a son, his name was Raghunandan. Do you understand? Do you follow me? He was also a very dear devotee of Mahaprabhu. And I say, every year, devotees of Bengal, Gaudades, used to come to Jagannath Puri. When Mahaprabhu was staying there, taking of sannyas. You follow? Every year they used to come. Still they are coming now also. But at that time, they are coming with groups doing Padayatra. There are no such communication system, rail, train, bus, no. Groups doing Padayatra, chanting, best coming. Sivananda Sen was the leader. So, once they came, the Khandavasi Mukunda came, his son Raghunandan came, and once Mahaprabhu asked, out of fun, to Mukunda, all right, Mukunda, your father, this Raghunandan is your son, isn't it? Your father, Raghunandan is your son. Or Raghunandan is father, you are his son. What is that? I cannot understand. Will you please say? Follow my question. Once Mahaprabhu asked, you understand? Mukunda, you are father, and this Raghunandan is your son. Or Raghunandan is father, you are son. Who is father, who is son? I don't know. Please tell me. This is the question. Funny question. Out of fun, Mahaprabhu asked. Do you understand me? But very deep purport behind it. Very deep purport. But Raghunandan, you see, both of them, I say, father and son, were very dear devotees of Mahaprabhu. So Mukunda said, I am son, Raghunandan is my father. Do you understand? Mukunda kahe Raghunandana, mor pita hoy. Mukunda kahe Raghunandana, mor pita hoy. Ami tar putroi, amaro nishoy. Ami tar putroi, amaro nishoy. Ama sobar Krishna bhakti Raghunandana hoite. Ama sobar Krishna bhakti Raghunandana hoite. অতএব পিতা রঘুনন্দন আমারো নিশ্চিতে। অতএব পিতা রঘুনন্দন আমারো নিশ্চিতে। Do you understand what he says? Mukunda says, Raghunandan is my father, I am his son. You understand? Raghunandan is my father, I am his son. Ama sabar Krishna Bhakti Raghunandan hoite. We have gotten Krishna Bhakti from Raghunandan. He is such a great devotee. Therefore, Raghunandan is my father, I am his son. Follow me? Is Amani Manada. Trunadapi Sunichina Taruri Vasahisu. Omanina Manadena Kirtaniya Sadahari. That is Mahaprabhu's teaching. Think yourself much humbler than a blade of grass lying on the street. Be as tolerant as a tree. Then Amani Manada. Don't demand respect. Rather pay respect to one and all. Krishna Adhisthana. This is Amani Manada. Do you understand? Raghunandan is son. Mukunda is father. But Mukunda says, I am son, he is father. He is Amani Manada. As a son, he never demands respect. As a father. I said, no, I am his son, he is father. Because I have gotten Krishna Bhakti from him. So from whom one gets Krishna Bhakti, he is father. Do you follow me? He is Amani Manada. Follow my language? Amani Manada. Father demands respect from the son. But here, Mukunda says, I am son, Raghunandan is my father. That means he never demands respect, rather he pays respect. Because he is my father. Do you follow my language? What is the purport? Is Amani Manada. When Mukunda says like that, Mahaprabhu was very much pleased. Was very much pleased. Then Mahaprabhu said, Suni harse kahe Prabhu, kahilo nisayo. Suni harse kahe Prabhu, kahilo nisayo. Ja hoite Krishna Bhakti, sei Guru hoyo. Ja hoite Krishna Bhakti, sei Guru hoyo. Do you understand? Mahaprabhu says, Mahaprabhu was very much pleased. Mahaprabhu said, yes, you said correct. Mukunda, you said correct. Yes. Jaha hoite Krishna Bhakti, sei Guru. From whom I get Krishna Bhakti, he is my Guru, he is my father. Materially, what he may be. Materially may be son. But from him I have gotten Krishna Bhakti, he is my father, he is my Guru. You have said correct. Do you understand? Mahaprabhu was very much pleased. Therefore, one should glorify a devotee. Do you understand? And Mahaprabhu himself was glorifying his dear devotees. Do you understand? Mahaprabhu himself was glorifying his dear devotees.